In this problem, we are attempting to subtract two radical or square root expressions. In order to subtract radical expressions, we must have like radicands, which is a value underneath the radical sign. Notice we also have coefficients. The 7 and the 3 are our coefficients, so I'll have to take those into account when we try and simplify our radical expressions. So I brought down the coefficient of 7, and what I'm going to do here is take the square root of 24 and break it into two factors of 24, where one of them is a perfect square. So I'll choose radical 4 and radical 6 because radical 4 is a perfect square. And we'll subtract 3 radical 6. Now radical 6 cannot be broken down any further because the only factors of 6 are 3 and 2, neither of those being a perfect square. So we'll take the next step in simplifying that square root of 4 to 2, and everything else remains the same in the expression. Now we'll need to multiply our original coefficient of 7 and the new coefficient we gained after simplifying the square root of 24. So we'll multiply and get 14 radical 6 minus 3 radical 6. And now that we have like radicands, we can go ahead and subtract our coefficients. So 14 minus 3 will give us 11 radical 6, which is choice C.